Okay, so next one, the dollar amount D that Megan earned varies directly with the number of hour each that she worked, right? So in this case, the D take the place of the Y, and the H take the place of the X, right? And they say she earned $148.50, right? We are looking for K, and when she worked 18 hours. So we divide it by 18, right? 148.50 divided by 18, and that is 8.25. So K is 8.25. So that means it's 8.25 times H. So they say in the next paycheck, if the next paycheck is 90.75, how many hours did she work? Right? So if she got 90.75 and 8.5 times H, so we have to divide it by 8.5 because we are looking for the numbers of hours. So that means that 90.75, right? Yes, 90.75 divided by 8.25. Here I'm missing the 2. Let me fix that. 25, 25, 25. So it was 11 hours, right? Always is most of the time is the same thing, right? So now let's continue. Next page. So if Y varies jointly with X and Z, so that now is jointly. Y equal K times X times Z, right? So, and Y is 48, X is 8, and Z is 15. We have to find the K first, right? So Y is 48, K is what we're looking for, X is 8, and this is 15. So we know that 8 and 15 is 120. To find K, we divide it by 48 divided by 120. So 48 divided by 120 is 2/5. So K is 2/5. So here it rewrites, now it rewrites the equation, but with the constant of variation. And now I plug the information I have to find the Y. They ask me find the Y when X is 14 and Z is 20, right? 14 times 20. So we have 280. Y equal to 2/5 times 280. So we end up with Y being equal to 112. That will be your answer. So we end up with 270 divided by 162. This should be 5/3, right? 5/3. So this K will be 5/3. So this is 5/3 Q R cubed. So now we are looking for P when Q is 3 and R is 5 cubed. So this cancel out, and P is 5 times 125. So P will be 625. That we should get, right? Okay, let's do the last one here, and then I will stop and record another one to finish the whole thing. So for Tom's saving account, the interest earned vary jointly with the principal and amount of time in years since opening the account, right? So let's say that Tom's saving interest, I is the interest, right? We are looking for K, and P is the principal, and T is the time. So we are looking first for the constant of variation, and the interest that he won was 144. Case where we're looking for the original, the principal was 1200, and the time was 3. So this will be 3600, right? And we divide it by 3600 to find the K. So in this case, we have 144 divided by 3600. So, and we end up with 1 over 25. So K is 1 over 25. So, okay, I will rewrite the formula. Interest equal 125 time principal times the time. We are looking at to say how much interest, right? 125. The principal is the same, 1200, but now the time is 8. So 8 times 8 times 1200 is 9600. So this is 9600. So right here, 125 times 9600. So I will divide that divided by 25, and I end up with the interest. It will be this money, $384. Okay, so that should be okay. I will come back in a second with the next video and the final one.